Hello and welcome back, guys. So today we'll be making another recipe. Today I'm going to be making a Turkish dessert item, and that is called basbousa. And I happen to learn to make basbousa from a Turkish chef that I had the honor and privilege to work with. And without any further ado, let's get to it. Hi there, welcome back. So as you can see that I have measured and mixed everything, all the dry ingredients over here. I'll tell you what I have over here shortly. And this is where I have 500 grams of curd and 10 grams of baking soda. I mixed it all well, and I'm gonna leave it for like 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, 20 minutes will do just fine. And what I have over here is 500 grams of semolina, and I've got 250 grams of refined butter. I've got 250 grams of sugar, 400 grams of milk powder, 300 grams of water, and 10 grams of rose water. And you can also add coconut flakes into your batter if you like, but I did not. I'm not a big fan of coconut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix them well, make sure everything is dissolved and we've got a smooth batter. Okay, you can also use your beater to beat them and make it even smoother. So now I'm gonna leave my spoon and I'm gonna bring in my beater, and I'm gonna mix them all up really well with my beater. So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna beat them to make sure that they all are smooth. Okay, so now I can put them here, no big deal, and I'm gonna add my yogurt into my batter. Then I'm gonna add my curd into my batter, just like that. Leave it over here. So now we're gonna have to mix them again. Okay. Just gonna put it over here. And now, as you can see that we are done with our batter, right? And now we're gonna put it on the mold. Just like that. Okay, and now what we're gonna have to do is to leave this basbousa batter for 30 minutes for rest. And after 30 minutes, we're gonna put it into the oven and bake it for half an hour, 35 minutes to be precise. And later on, we're gonna add the sugar syrup, but we're gonna do them step by step. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. As you can see that I'm done baking my basbousa, and it looks beautiful golden brown, and that's how it should look once you are done baking your basbousa. So now I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna add my sugar syrup to it. Let me just change my knife. I'm not really comfortable using this small knife, so there I have my giant knife, something that I love using. Okay. Two. 4. All right. Turn it over. Just like that, gradually. Okay. I tend to clean my knife always and make a cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go. Gradually pull it up. Okay. Now we're gonna use our sugar syrup and spread them just like that, nice and easy. In one of my earlier videos, I showed you how to make sugar syrup. If you haven't got a chance to watch it, then I would like to ask you to watch it on my baklava series, where I showed you how to bake Turkish baklava. So on that series, I showed you in detail on the way I prepare my sugar syrup for baklava. It's the same sugar syrup you can use for basbousa as well. And I'm gonna clean things up just a little bit. And there we have our Turkish basbousa. Smells really awesome. I can't wait to eat, but I'm gonna have to wait to eat it because it's kind of too hot right now. So well, that's how you bake a Turkish dessert item, very famous not only in Turkey but across Central Asia and in the Middle East, as well as in my country, Bangladesh. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do take care of yourself until I release another video. Bye bye.